Okay, so experiment with your own yarns and hook sizes to see which you are happiest with. So begin with the slip knot and chain 10. Slip stitch in the first chain. Work another chain 10. And again slip stitch in the beginning of chain. This will be our eyes. Work 14 single crochet in each loop. Okay, another 14 single crochet around the second loop. So after this, we're going to slip stitch into the center. Okay, to give the eyes a nice finished look. So another slip stitch. Then slip stitch 6 stitches to the left. We're going to bring the yarn to the left side, just like this. Now chain 1 and turn, and then we're going to work single crochet into the next 12 stitches. So that's 3, 4, 5 and 6, 10, another 6, this is 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So again, chain 1 and turn and work another 12 single crochet across. So we have here 12 single crochet, and then in the next row here we're going to decrease, working a single crochet two together, and then single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Then single crochet 2 together into the last 2 stitches, and we're going to have a total of 10 single crochet. So again, another decrease. This time we'll end up with a total of 8 single crochet. So again, here single crochet 2 together. So this will be our last decrease, and we're going to have a total of 6 single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn and single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now finish off and cut the yarn. So turn the skull upside down, and we're going to work under the eyes. So we have 8 stitches on both sides. Then count 6 stitches from the center. Here we join the yarn and work single crochet. Single crochet here, and then work another single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 4, skip 4 stitches, then single crochet to the next, and single crochet to the next 3 stitches. Okay, turn, do not chain 1, so skip the first stitch and single crochet and the next 3 stitches. Then work 4 single crochet into the loop and single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and leave the last stitch unworked. Okay, then again turn and skip the first stitch and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, then chain 4. That counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, then double crochet, chain 1 into the next stitch, and again double crochet, chain 1 to the next. So we'll repeat until we have a total of 6 double crochet. Okay, last one. So you just slip the 2 stitches and work, chain 1 and turn, then work single crochet on top of each double crochet. So we have a total of 6 single crochet. So at this point we're going to crochet along the edge and chain 1, then evenly single crochet all the way around the skull.